of streaming radio, VMC Planet Radio.
Sure. Sir. I can just lose your money. Give it this to the mama. It's the first like she's a mama. Mina ngamba nawe mama. Uvulu uyayivala mama. So give it this to the mama. It's the first like she's a mama. Mina ngamba nawe mama. I can just lose your money. Give it this to the mama. It's the first like she's a mama. Mina ngamba nawe mama. Uvulu uyayivala mama. So give it this to the mama. It's the first that she's a mama. Mina ngamba nawe mama. Masemphethe ufikinini bonke bayakhala bathi ngenza isiphithiphithi. Yiba khipha peace. Utshela ufuna ucheza phansi kuletha ukubhizi. Ngimoto etshontsha imali sebangibiza uFedelite. Utshela isikolokodo, ucheza ngesikolodo. Mephuza nogoloko uthanda ukugobisa neqolo. Drip is too much sengidlula nanesobho. Sutakazela mangibona shayifona. Uthi uyangifila, sekwenzakalani? Ufuna ukunginika, mina nginendaba. Uthi uyangikhipha, ngasifaka abantu. Ufuna umshado, mina ngifuna imali. Uthi ufuna impahla, into engakanani. Shisa kantini, vele duma ikhanda. Finga ngakini, noma engithanda. Ungenamali, tshela mina uthenga ngani. Uthi uyangifila, sekwenzakalani? Ufuna ukunginika, mina nginendaba. Uthi uyangikhipha, ngasifaka abantu. Ufuna umshado, mina ngifuna imali. Uthi ufuna impahla, into engakanani. Shisa kantini, vele duma ikhanda. Finga ngakini, noma engithanda. Ungenamali, tshela mina uthenga ngani. I can just lose your money. Give it this to the mama. It's the first like she's a mama. Mina ngamba nawe mama. Uvulu uyayivala mama. So give it this to the mama. It's the first like she's a mama. Mina ngamba nawe mama. I can just lose your money. Give it this to the mama. It's the first like she's a mama. Mina ngamba nawe mama. Uvulu uyayivala mama. So give it this to the mama. It's the first like she's a mama. Mina ngamba nawe mama.
Ladies and gentlemen, what you are about to experience is power of streaming radio, VMC Planet Radio.
Mina ngamba nawe mama. Mina ngamba nawe mama. My emotions are live. Kala ngimalo bala. You can just lose your mind. Telefuza isavana. Bisabangani manyana. Batshela bazophuza mahala. Kubuke life mahala. Mama, my emotions are live. Kala ngimalo bala. You can just lose your mind. Telefuza isavana. Bisabangani manyana. Batshela bazophuza mahala. Kubuke life mahala. I can just lose your mind. Give it this to the mama. It's the first like she's a mama. Mina ngamba nawe mama. Uvulu uyayivala mama. So give it this to the mama. It's the first like she's a mama. Mina ngamba nawe mama. I can just lose your mind. Give it this to the mama. It's the first like she's a mama. Mina ngamba nawe mama. Uvulu uyayivala mama. So give it this to the mama. It's the first like she's a mama. Mina ngamba nawe mama.
Streaming live worldwide on www.vmcplanetradio.co.za. Ladies and gentlemen, what you're about to experience is power of streaming radio. VMC Planet Radio. Streaming live worldwide. VMCPlanetRadio.co.za.
And I welcome back up my brothers. You know, you are still tuning in to Branch Babies. Just join the show. Just know to you, it's a perfect time. As promised that from 11 we are going to have our guest. Well, he's here on our studio. And as you know, I'm not hosting this show alone. I am with Ntombi Mkhosa, and we are back at VMC Planet Radio.
And thank you so much, my brothers, for tuning in to your #1 online radio and the whole planet. And one thing I can tell you is that I don't make sure that you don't go anywhere, you don't nyagazi, because the time has finally came.
I just promise, because we do have our guest from Tuba. You know, when I was in varsity.
Yes.
So when hearing people go like Tuba, so they say Tuba. So I said there's a place in KZN and that's Tuba. So I used to say maybe to them live on TikTok, but when I'm swatting, but like no, I'm swatting, I'm Tuba. I just loved the name.
The name is so nice. And, our guest is here. Hi.
Hello, sanibona ninjani?
Siyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila. Thank you for having me.
And thank you so much, Nancy, for having us.
Yeah.
Yeah. So who are you? I'm sure like my brothers at home, like Abaz Guti, Ubani, where you from? What are you doing? So
Yeah, uThipho lo umbala wasemtuba lo ingane yamanquma lo banye bathi umgazo sobethu masiphula isidina samakhosi isiphakathi malayithi nje umchitha oweshayela amapiano wenze hip hop nje versatile doing music.
Oh, it's T-Boy.
Yes,
Mina we said T-Boy.
No, kuyenzeka vele abanako ukulisho kanjalo.
That's T-Boy. So what is the reason behind this name? Why T-Boy? Why this name?
A government name uThabiso.
Oh.
So ekhasi nje if uThabiso Thabani Thabo nje.
Yeah, uba uSthibo,
Thibos. So nami ngikhula uSthibos then as ngiyele ku music I was like, okay, let me twist it, let me make it my own. So I was Thibo and I added the E ekugcineni, so it's TBOE.
Thibo. So okay, there's music, there's dancing, there's a lot of things that you could do. And then why did you choose music?
Hey, I feel like music chose me. I feel like music chose me because I started doing music from the age of 9. So I didn't know this thing.
Did I hear you right? You said 9?
9 years, yeah.
9 years.
Is that possible?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
what did you know about music at 9 years?
I feel like it's the influence of my older brother and my neighbor. Babenza music.
Okay,
And
now I
they
get
were
it.
put the music at that time. So nami ngibabona doing that thing. I was like, nami I wanna do this.
So did you record at that 9 years old, or you were just singing?
Yeah.
Nje, like endlini?
Yeah, nje the story ngifuna ama 2K silalele kahle ukuthi
Okay.
how we used to do it. So into eyenzeka because we had no access to a studio because
Yes.
so we had this radio khona radio encane eyifaka icassette
Okay.
okwazi ukuthi mawushawa record yonke into edlalayo ikwazi ukurecord on that empty
Yeah, I
cassette.
know it. I
So
know
we
it.
used to have the radio and an empty cassette, and then we khona i-album kaMandoza, i-album Kalakatha. I think
Kalakatha,
yeah,
yeah.
khona i-instrumental ekhona lapha. I don't know if it's track 7 or track 11, but sithatha le instrumental sidla kwi-hi-fi radio ngala sifake empty, and then we record using that thing, and then we have plenty of songs.
Like record a whole song.
A whole song with one beat and multiple songs with one beat. You just hold the radio as the mic. 'Cause
Okay.
if you-
But where did you learn that?
And then if you talk, and then if you talk through the radio, yeah, you guys will record the sound. Why the sound of the hi-fi, yeah, so and then the song, we would have a song on the cassette.
You were 9 by that time.
Yeah, I was 9. My brothers were old, so I think it started. It's always such a sound. So I mean,
Thina sikhule when isikhathi sama-cassettes I'm sure besesiphumile. Thina we grew up playing with those cassettes, pull that string
Yeah,
inside,
sidlaling out.
sidlale, we
it's
knew
the same,
nothing.
It's the same thing. That's I said
Yeah.
phumile because also ngama-CD kakhulu that time. But ke ngicabanga ukuthi ama-brothers ami ngoba ine-knowledge ayazi
Yeah.
ama-cassette la singawalahli. So recorda ngawo. So
Cassette likabhuti ungadlali ngalo.
So and also seeing that on your bio that you were a teacher for I think 5 years. Are you still a teacher or you?
I'm still a teacher.
You're still a maths teacher.
Maths teacher.
Yeah,
So
I'm a high school math teacher. Yeah.
Wow.
okay. So I want to ask about like as a teacher, what is a thing that you enjoy about teaching?
Nje ukuthatha umuntu from darkness to ube kwi-light, like kuthatha umuntu from engazi until azi,
Yes.
and through you, and that's it's very satisfying ukubona ukuthi lo muntu useyibambile into because wazi ukumchazela. So yeah, iyona into engithandayo ngayo nje. Yeah.
Okay, so there's teaching, there's music, and you started music at a very, very young age. So why did you pursue school while you knew that I'm this talented, I can sing? Why?
Bafethu kusemhlabeni la
Yes.
lo mele uphinde uyibheke reality ukuthi ekugcineni kumele impilo yakho yaqhubeka, siyakhula,
Yeah.
siba nezingane, kumele support umndeni la sisuka khona, kumele ukwazi ukuba something etafuleni and kumele usebenze. So and music is I would not say it's not guaranteed, but it takes
Yeah.
takes
Yeah,
time.
It takes time.
Takes time. So if uzowenza vele with the aim ukuthi ufuna ukwenza imali so that uzokwazi uyiphilisa, uzoba nenkinga, uzoba demotivated. But if uyenza while konde eceleni okuye mhlawumbe ukufakela imali ukuze impilo iqhubeke, yabo.
Oh, so music is your plan B.
Music
it's
is
a
my-
side
my-
hustle.
my-
Oh, it's a
my
side
music-
hustle.
Music is my plan A because
Oh, it's your plan
it's
A.
my plan
You
A.
know,
ukuthi-
since 9 years.
Yeah, ukuthi
Yeah.
ngoba ngifundisa nje ngenza ukuthi ngikwazi ukuphila and phela nami already senginazo izingane zidlala yihleli.
Oh, you're a father.
Like,
Music
a present
A present day.
present dad. So music now unayo imali but mina ngakafiki le level ukuthi usuwenza imali ngale ndlela engifisa ungenzele ngayo mina. I'm making money but angayi ngale ndlela engifisa ungenzele ngayo so ukuthi I can like sustain a life or lives abantu abathembele kumina.
So was your family supportive? Like, is your family supportive kule music journey yakho?
Nje ngasho ukuthi ba supportive ngoba mina ngangafuni ukwesikole nje.
Oh,
After high school,
shame.
after high school ngangafuni but they made me ukuthi ngihambe ngiyofunda. Ngakho nguthisha namhlanje ngihleze ngibabonga ngalokho ukuthi uma kuthiwa ngibanga uthisha ngoba angikho la ngikhona because uyayidinga imali when it comes to this thing.
Yeah,
Yabo,
yeah,
you
there's a lot of
engage in-
investments.
yabo, in different ways. So if engekho umuntu uzoinvesta kuwena then you have to invest on yourself. So mina I'm fortunate enough ukuthi ngiyasebenza manje and I'm investing on myself. So I would say bangisupportile via lokho ukuthi benginike opportunity ukuthi ngiyesikoleni bengenza ukuthi ngiyesikoleni. But besides that uyazi ngokhula wezomculo uthiwa lento iyanhlanyisa yekeni lento yini yekeni.
Yeah, it's always
Yeah,
like
it's
that.
always like that. It's always
So
that.
when how did you handle such a negative comments usaqala, because obviously now people when they see you that you are succeeding or they see you no man he's definitely good in music, so they start supporting you, but at first they're like no yeah man yini lena yabo. How do you handle such comments?
Yeah, phela ngithi the dream must be bigger. The dream must be bigger. It must be bigger than
Yes.
everything. Must be bigger than ukuthi. It must be bigger than the way you feel about being criticized. Must
Yeah.
be bigger than the way like but the dream must be bigger than everything. You want to equality on, and when you have a vision yakho yazi ukuthi le nto ikhona ngaphakathi. So whatever inkulumo abayisho abantu akumele
don't
zinto.
matter.
Yeah.
Yeah, like kumele uyithathe nje. Uqine ukhule from whatever mhlawumbe bakushow if dinga ukhona room for improvement.
Yeah, and about your vision, we said the dream must be bigger. We saw that you in future you wanted to work with musicians like Java, Nofunomo, Kesmanyovesa, Black Diamond.
Yeah.
What inspired you, or why those artists specifically do you want to work with them?
Yo, they inspire me a lot. Like even besides the music,
Yes.
stories how they came up and how they handled themselves as a corner person. So I like that, and the skills when it comes to indlela ababhala ngayo, the way
Yeah,
they
mina
do.
I
Yes.
agree.
Yeah, well, so
Yeah.
this ngiyathatha kubona I look up to them. So one thing I feel ukusondelana now and then sisebenza.
So who's that one person that you look up to, like local? It can be locally or internationally. That person like we're like, oh, one day I wish to be like him or like her, or like he's motivating you to do good.
Yeah, like I would say DJ Spoo, Casper New Vest. I like the way they move. I like the way they move. When they say they move,
They move. Whether
yabo.
people are talking or
Yeah,
not.
yeah,
Yeah.
you see,
So
they move and they make sure that they all succeed. Abantu bethini, but they move. So those guys,
Esibesho ngesizulu bathi kokothe hambayo.
yeah,
Mayimile.
zayibuka nje.
Ngiyayibona nje.
Yeah,
Oh.
so yeah, those guys.
So ufundisa la around Johannesburg or back at home eMtuba?
Yeah, so ngisanda kufika la eGoli. I just recently moved to la eJozi.
Yo.
So move kumele ucele umfuna uqhubeka usebenze, mina ngenza ama cross transfer, ngithola umuntu ofuna ukuyekeza 10 mina ngenza ngana. So it was a process nje, but ke uNkulunkulu waqala sizile ukuthi igcine iphumelele. So by March ngaqala ngeza la eGoli, so ngiyasebenza khona la, so ngisebenza Soweto.
So why did you choose Johannesburg? Is it because it's a city of gold, a city of possibilities? Because lapha KZN we do have abo Big Zulu, yabo Combination
Yeah.
Records.
Yeah, in Jozi.
Wow.
Phezulu here in Jozi.
So okay.
Even the Combination is here.
Everybody's here.
Everybody's
Yeah,
here.
seems like
Utira,
everybody's here.
it's Afrotainment.
There. So
yeah.
wabona ukuthi no as in ngiyashi Afrotainment ngifuna
Not even besides that, nje,
Yes.
the Egoli mfethu is a city of possibilities.
Yeah.
as usual.
City of
Yeah.
everything.
Is a media hub, it's an entertainment hub, yabo. There's a lot of radio station, a lot of podcasts, a lot of like culture la is very much
There's so much
alive.
exposure.
Yeah, so much alive compared to ezinye indawo, yabo.
Yes.
It's good now, the culture is alive, but when it comes to the media, the exposure is a lot, yabo. So,
Okay, and if you can check like okay, in case that the dominated music it's
Maskandi.
Maskandi. When out of everything you chose hip hop, whereas it's Maskandi culture in KZN.
yeah, phela nginamkhona
khona la
Khona uMaskandi
la.
ekuseni nje
Unsizwa nje.
ngivuka ngihlaba u1 ngihlaba
Ne?
u1
Ay.
Nase studio before release uthi one.
ngizohlaba u1 before ngiphume ukuze ngishare amadlozi ami omgazi la benigada ikhona mina because ngikhule vele around community vele la traditional music. So nami even when the traditional music idlala nami ngiyathola la goosebumps ngivukela usinga, so there is traditional music ngaphakathi mina, just that nje I haven't had an opportunity ukuthi ngiyenze. So should opportunity present itself like mhlambe kuzo umuntu omaskani say let's cooperate,
Yeah.
I'm down, yabo. So
But
yeah.
then Aisha angifuna uqamba amanga nje awubonisi nje ubunsizwa angiboni
Well,
that
yes.
being a side of you. Hayi
What did
because
you say you ukuba
masibona when
When
a
inika.
Zulu gent njingena thina
Uyabona
expecte le hand ukuthi
Ah, lutho mama uzozolimi masesixoxa ukuthi insizwa le.
lutho mama.
So when ayiphi yakho lo uthi mawuvuka ekseni uthi ucabange yona ingoma kaMaskandi uthi mawufuna kusina nje uthi le
I'm
angeliphelela
going for this one.
ngayilalela.
Hayi njengamanje nje ngimanje uSminofu nozinqumalo
Ayi.
lethi sijola kamnandi sajola kamnandi
Ay.
It's like manje leyo
Ngiyabona, ngiyabona.
so young on
So how do you handle fame? Uyazi ukuthi you will get DMs from amantombazana
Yeah.
and from people. So how do you handle that? How do you handle fame?
nje ukuzazi ukuthi ufunani and having ama-boundaries and values and principles. I think if uyibekele lokho ikhonto ezokwazi ukuguide along those lines from nje ama-fans iy'lingo ey'khona 'cause
Temptations.
maningi ama-temptations from your drugs to
Yeah.
kade kusho kwamantombazana. There's a lot of temptations but ukuzazi ukuthi wena ufunani like keeps you grounded and having abantu aba-right around you abo.
Yeah, sengicabanga nokuyela high school ngikhe ngiyofundiswa
Ngiyofunda
i-celebrity
i-maths.
musician ngiyofunda i-maths. Maybe izongena. I'm sure
Yeah.
ubafundisa
Which one is it, the pure maths or the
Pure maths.
pure
was
maths.
Yeah.
SAS, so
Trigonometry.
solve X,
It's your
Monday.
solve X, ne?
Monday.
Yeah,
Since,
khululeka,
since
so-
Monday, it's so to
Iy'ngane zenje mese ninika ama-homework guys nisendela kumina ngisiza.
Okay.
Ngiyazi niyahlupheka when it comes to ama-homework.
Kona we-maths, you know ama-homework samanje uthi uma uyibuka ubona la ukuthi le
Uyabheka ingane ne is doing grade 6 but mawubheka wena uthi awu grade 12 phela le.
understand
Grade
you question
12.
because I think I saw this other one kuba they gave him homework but then ama-answer akhona but teacher uyawafuna but uwabhalile but uyawafuna so the parent was like I don't know what's happening because the answers are here angathi ngimisidomu noma kanjani.
Maybe you have to find the answers or provide
Yeah, the steps.
solutions,
Ufuna
the
ama-steps
steps.
towards the answer.
But the question beyithi choose laphaya but lama answer akhona.
You have
It's
to,
the
you have
question
to
and
know.
the answers.
You have to know the right one to choose.
But then why do you treat our kids like this? Because ihlupeka thina.
Ayi, ingakho sengisaba nje nokuba nengane mina.
Ngenxa yokuthi angikukhona ngokubhalisa
Homework.
homework.
Ke ngikhona. Awu.
We have people like you.
Asikhona bafethu. I think kumele ngivule ibhizinisi ukuthi ngisize abazali abasize ingane
Abazali.
yabo.
Yeah, I think it's a plan C now. We're moving to plan
plan
C.
C.
Yeah, you have to make money.
Yeah,
The
make
plan is
money.
to secure the bank.
Yeah. See.
So, okay, to our listeners at home, they want to know, President Tugusi, are you currently working on something? Can we expect any project soon from
Yes,
you?
yes,
When
yes.
and what's that project?
So the plan now is to drop a single every month until I drop my EP later this year.
Wow.
So
Okay,
as
every
we-
month you must be working hard.
Yeah, and so as we talking here, Friday,
Friday tomorrow.
As in tomorrow.
16th of May, yeah.
Yeah, tomorrow.
It's tomorrow. It's tomorrow.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
tomorrow.
It's tomorrow now, yeah. So yeah, we're like a few hours away from the song. So there's a song coming out. It's a dope song. And then even next month, there's a song coming out. We're still deciding on a date, but the song is ready. And I have one of the biggest artists on the game. So we should look out for that as well.
So since Uti, you are releasing like monthly, so ngaitholi feature lapho we are give vocal yabo vocalist.
Yes, definitely.
I can
Come
This
see.
is our
Studio.
zinqumalo.
Come to studio.
I can
Umalo
see.
wethu lo.
Ngiyalingisa kokungawari.
Come to studio. Angazolunga nemakasana sesowethu thina.
Anginankinga mina ispan ngiyashaya iflow.
Ngwanyana kokasi. Yeah, I think yini ozolunga.
Irathototle wankitsi mos.
Yeah.
Akose Pitori lapha kuseSoweto so ngeke uzulunge.
Ungawari mina fast izinto
Yeah,
za
adapt.
fast. Yeah, igazini ithi nje ingene yabo. So
Showcase.
ungawari. Showcase, show,
We should
show.
cook something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what's maybe which song are we expecting tomorrow, and what's the inspiration behind that?
That's
The song is the name of the song is A Pressure. Got me features Lava Boy and also Dax Music again. The song is about putting pressure on a lot of things. Whatever thing that you need to put pressure on. If it's your dream, put pressure on
Just
it.
put pressure.
If it's a wound, put pressure on it. If anything, if there's somebody who owes you money, put pressure on him.
Oh,
Yeah, so
okay.
it's a pressure on everything that I think would be in
And also, I saw that you have a song with that features Uzagwe, the well-known Uzagwe. It's called Pakistan.
Pakistan.
So what's the meaning behind that song? Why that song?
Umaziri. Pakistan. Lapho so appreciate nje I crafts kaNkulunkulu.
Aw.
Sithi osisi labo abangama hayi Pakistan lawo ali
Because numbers cabange now.
Hey, githi mina kade nise Pakistan. I thought you had a vacation to Pakistan.
No, it's especially engoma le yakudala. Ngimkhohle umfethu wayishaya. But it's siswe Pakistani.
Ey.
Bamanali bantu lencane.
Jesus.
Ungatha kancane.
Yebo.
Mina izokwenzela ubumnandi. Yeah, and if you can remember the song, so it's a interpolation of that song. So it's just answer for me, especially Ongom, and then we appreciate the crafts can go on good by.
I feel bad for us abayikho Pakistan.
Vele bengicabange yena.
Thina basegoli.
So yeah, it's about that.
Okay, speaking about that, how would you encourage your students to explore their own craft and to pursue or taking risk? Let's say they want to be an artist like you. So how would you motivate them?
I was saying, because if you say you have something to fall back on, go bang at
Yeah.
you don't believe on the dream,
Yes.
like but see, that's not true. Ibuke reality it is ngabantu abamnyama asuka emakhaya most ethu asuka emakhaya a privilege asinayo mhlambe i family wealth or traditional wealth. So ukuthi lapha if you pursue music uzokwazi ukuthola imali nje from because music udinga imali ukwazi ukwenzela imali
Yeah.
to invest like studio like kuningi that needs to go in, so uyayidinga imali. So I would say go to school but find a way to make money so that you can invest back on your craft, or if uzokwazi ukuthola umuntu ozo-investa imali efakwe le craft. But the bad thing about that, if ukhona umuntu ke ozokufaka ufake imali yakhe uzodetecta-ke manje ukuthi uzokwenza kanjani,
Yeah,
uzogrow.
yes.
That's why sinama stories uthi hey this bangicrossele this because yonke labo bantu bafika kulo situation ngokuthi there's a guy or there's a woman ofake a huge amount of money, so mina naqale athola imali yakhe back with interest before when I even get a share, you know. So mafunda
Yeah.
find ways to make money, start a business. Like if we have a skill, make as a man would let the skill and put it back on the music. Yeah, so I would say that.
So which one are that like a music record label that you would like to be signed on one day? Why the laugh? That laugh though.
Okay.
I could have a specific one like this one, that one. I mean, I can sign with because I'm right now I'm signed to myself.
Oh, to yourself.
Yeah,
That's
I'm signed under my company as
Wow.
a pusher. So anybody out there or ofuna usebenza or something meaningful, which is mutually like benefiting.
You even we have ambitious entertainment. You would sign yourself after those stories that we had about that recording label when you would take that risk and sign under them.
I feel like everything's on a contract. And
Yes.
Yeah, it's
when
on
as
a
an artist,
contract.
you should maybe educate yourself about these things because being umculo in the music business, like
Yeah.
mele ulazi music business how to work. So I mean, I don't feel like if mengeza is a nento engidingayo at
Yes.
that time and when it was okay. So because there is a collaboration between me, between my company and them.
Yeah.
So mawuthi beza nento ezokwazi ungisiza ezongibenefitisa futhi nawe as well babenefitisa, so I'll definitely take it.
So which one that big person in the music industry that you once shared a stage with or you wish? Okay.
I've shared a stage with
Yeah.
man, I've sharing a stage. Is it like maybe we book on the same event and then we again and I'm again? Is that sharing a stage?
Yeah.
Yeah.
you consider
Yeah.
that
Maybe.
Yes. Because
Whether you posted in
I've shared the stage with all of them.
oh,
Like most of
And
the
now
guys.
mina ubonang. Nanantonga usibonang.
Then call it upon the
yeah,
stage.
that's called.
But
Yeah.
if you were Cape Town.
Yeah, so I've been to many events where I'm artist amakhulu kade perform. So
Oh.
I'll say yeah, I've shared the stage, but I've never had a moment like somebody big artist is calling me up on stage or shine down ingoma ndawonye on stage. So
But
I've
then
never-
we are getting there.
Yeah, most
We're going
definitely.
there.
Yeah, most
Nge
definitely.
kancane kancane nje.
You know, step by step.
yeah.
Jump like to some. If there's something you working on, ukuthi ukhona bona ama results. You do not have to like jump from one stage to another. So if it's take you like step by step, I believe that's how you should do it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So which one was your first song, kahle kahle, the first song that opened doors for you, and also we wanna know which one's your favorite song amongst your songs?
I started dropping music in like on DSP. I think after 2020.
Oh,
Because
after COVID.
yeah, I did after COVID because I was doing music.
Many songs were released during
Yeah.
that time.
So I started like raising like Spotify and then but before
Yeah.
that angangumuntu ka SoundCloud ka Datafied host bazokutshela bazi abadala
Yeah.
ababelalela ko Datafied host or SoundCloud Reverb Nation. So I was so nje ngizovela ngibale nje after sengiqala ko Spotify from 2020. So I did ingoma kuthiwa ibabalele. This was my first song, but my favorite song I've dropped nje so far is ekuthiwa uthando lakho.
Uthando Lwakho.
Hi, we
I
have to
think-
hear the song. We have
That
to
one
listen
is
to that
special,
song.
That one, yeah. Special, idlalile TV plenty of times. Yabo number top,
On TV.
yeah, top
Wow.
4 channel O.
Wow.
Top 4, yeah. Usually Trace yadlala on radio
A
yadlala.
dream come
That's
true.
great.
Yeah,
And we're
so-
going to play it today. Yeah.
Mone
yeah,
ngayo
we
ukuthi-
have to.
Mone ngayo ukuthi hawu yazi lento. Kade ngiyenzeka.
Kuyenzeka, ayinabungozi.
And then from there nje we stayed there.
Yeah.
So where people can stream your songs, like where
Everywhere nje.
Everywhere.
La stream khona music
La
kwakho.
ngingoma khona.
And la nje
Uyatholakala.
yeah, ngikho just search nje T-BOE and you
Oh,
can find my song.
Tibo.
Tibo.
Yeah, it's yeah.
It's
Tibo.
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 Yeah,
Tibo.
it's Tibo. I don't know if I can have that song. I mean, I think ngifuna ukuzwela nje the song. It's
You should also see the video, like if you can see the video as well, you will.
I saw the music video.
the
I was
whole
like,
story.
which one is this one? I saw the music video here. I was like, oh, okay. So, Prezaka, if you are listening, it's 7 minutes before the hour 12. And on studio, we have Utibo, not T-Boy. We have Utibo, a singer, a musician, a hip hop, and I'm a piano musician from M2 in KZN. You know, so we are, you I'm telling my social media platforms at and it's T-Bo.
T_.
T-Bo.
Yeah.
Then I can see them as streams lana on Spotify, YouTube, all the social media, all the platforms for music. Ungathola ke music awake, and we have the song, ne? Uthando Lwami. I think we should listen. Like everyone deserves to listen. It's
Yes.
a nice song. Yeah, some of the songs when you look at the song, you're like, no, I wish to listen to this song. So it's a song by Tibo featuring Ino Music, Hlobelihle, and made by Tweezy, ne?
Yes.
That's why it's made by Tweezy. Uthando Lwakho. So you hope you all going to enjoy the song. Okay.
We'll be right back.
Streaming live worldwide on www.vmcplanetradio.co.za. Ladies and gentlemen, what you are about to experience is power of streaming radio. VMC Planet Radio.
All right, my brothers, welcome back, and also we still have our guest here on studio, and the time is exactly 1 minute past the hour at 12. And before we could introduce, we played you a song by Uti Bo. The song is titled Uthando Lwakho. Hope you enjoy the song, and if you wanna look on the song or you still wanna listen to the song more, then you can get it on our social media platforms. And also, if you're a person who watches TV, it's sitting there on Chat on MTV Base channel, or you're lucky you get the song there, or also on YouTube. You can even see a music video. I know it's a nice song. You should listen to it. And also, Masgana Esido, when he introduced him, we had a song. It's a Mama. It's from him. It's featuring a Sleepy G and Smooth.
So, Mama, like, what's the inspiration behind that song, and how did you feel when you reached a 50K on that song? Like,
The song is Mama.
oh, Mama, yo, Mama.
There's Mama. Yeah, well,
So, what's the difference between Mama and Mama?
but I get to Mama, so it's cool, like
Oh, okay.
Mama, then Mama, Olito.
Okay,
Oh,
okay.
It's a passage.
And
Ole
then,
likes you.
Nana gets to Baba.
Oh, Baba,
makes
oh, Baba,
sense. Yeah,
Baba.
makes
Sure.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
yeah.
And I'm a princess. They are asking, "Oh, I want to hear when you almost like singing on a song. There's edits, there's everything. So they want to hear. You see, this song that you're going to release tomorrow.
Yeah,
Can you
tomorrow.
please and kindly? They want to hear just maybe a verse of the song that's going to be released tomorrow.
Okay, tomorrow I'm preparing on my tour, Pressure.
Yes.
Go something like it's Mong one your flex. I'm wish I will plan on coloca your dash.
Okay.
You mean some dash. Vula give a faggy pressure. Ngisho ngempela ngezine engangifunele pressure ngitholakala ngakuphatha no pressure
Ay.
ithi mangibona ngiyaflex
Ebo.
angisha uplane nogoloka ngiyawdash
Ay, 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 ay.
somdash ngabavula ngibafakele pressure
Aibo, ay.
ngisho ngempela
Ay,
ngezine
yeah, yeah,
engangifunele pressure ngabavula ngakufasela pressure kantholakala ngakuphatha no pressure
I can't wait for this song. Angeke.
Before you put, I think Namhla Swelale studio.
Nje. Ay, yabona ke music video. I hope ngeke uzikhohle. Ku music video nje engoma nje.
soon very
So
soon.
besikhona.
Yeah.
Am I a model?
Yena uyamodela lapha.
I hope niyakwazi ukunakhuzana
Yona leyo. Siyakhona. Awuphethaba obompetha nje. Chwepheshlana. Akho ingekho la shem yabona VMC. Akho ingayitholi. We have everything here. We make sure that we deliver. Nje.
sendaweni right
Sekhaya.
The heat in here after that song. The pressure.
Mina ngiyapressure.
Nkalakatha. Ay.
Uyabona nje mos.
Yeah.
So siphethe yonke ama vocalist konke everything ikhona.
Yeah.
Business studio asikhipheni manje.
manje
Singayikhipha namanje.
Siyakhipha manje.
yeah manje akhulekani bafethu fonina anything anything
Utishara we mates.
Yeah.
Ay. So even naseklasini uba so like you are this vibrant or you are only vibrant mouse studio. Eklasini ufika ube street.
phela so lapho songigqoka character lapha
Ayi.
so like senje mengingena egethini
Yes.
I go into character
Yeah.
Okay.
ngiba usentshangazi
But banjani because we know ukuthi ama students
Yeah.
ayahlupha. Ma students ayahlupha. So how do you deal with them?
yo bayahlupha kakhulu
But now ubuhlupha.
angithi kini I'm understanding that so
Yes.
it's easier ukuthi ayivele ngiyazi into eyisasenza nayo so
vele.
nabo bayakwenza abazi kusami ngiyabaxolela ngoba abazi abakwenzayo
Kancane.
abancane
So mangicabanga there are those students that they know you from this song, the song Uthando. Is it Uthando Lwethu? Yeah, the one that we just listened. So baba njani ukuthi okay usewethu
Our
yi
celeb
celeb,
is-
our
yeah.
celeb is
You know
there.
what I always do like
Yeah.
ukuze lento ingabi inkinga hleze ngiyiphika but sekubonile
Hayibo.
izolo sekubonile ukuthi mina hayi futhi ngeke
Shuthi abantu bayafana.
oze abantu bayafana zeningi idudla la ngaphandle
So bayathemba
so
mawusho
se
njalo.
ugqoka ibrand yakho nje uhlezi ugqokele
You have a
hlezi
brand.
ugqokile yeah
You
yeah,
have a
guys.
brand.
Okay.
Wow.
About that.
Yeah, because I have a brand it's called Crew Life. Nje ngihamba niyochecka lapho ikhona social
It's
media.
Crew Life.
uzobona
So
nje, yeah. So
why this name? Why?
Yeah.
Crew Life means Crew Life. Crew means life.
Yo.
So crew is a slang word for life.
Oh.
So life. So it's life. It's into yodwa. So actually ngiqale brand I was like ngoba ngi-artist so
Yes.
angifuna ukungena behind angifuna ukungena kuma backstage so ama backstage khona like ngingena kuma backstage nje so igqoka ikipa but crew like CREW
Oh yeah.
Oh.
ngifuna ukungena kulezi stage I should make my own t-shirts ngibhale ukuthi CRW yabo I was like okay and then I was like Oh, like,
So
come
they did
on.
allow you.
No, like angikwenzanga lokho but like
Oh, icabangela
low
nje.
idea yona
Yes,
yazala
yeah.
ibrand abala kuma ngicabanga ngathi ay angubhala ngendlela yami ngithi KRU yabo and then how abantu bayithanda bayithenga
Sengiyabona ukuthi why you are a teacher today.
maths teacher.
Yeah, maths teacher. Sengiyabona ukuthi kubuyaphi.
yeah.
So do you write your own songs or kunomuntu okubhalelayo?
I write my own songs nje. I write my own songs. Yakhumbula nithi mina I have to like do this song like a freestyle. When get this
Yes.
because it's figure isuka nje manje before says
Yeah.
I'm coming from studio as a song I think record so ekhanda lami yona ibikhona.
Iyaduma.
Like duma yona. So if I have to perform lengi drop kusasa I was like duma because yeah we always writing always in studio yeah.
Okay, so Mina, I have a last question.
Yeah.
So my last question to you, njengoba usho ukuthi uphuma e-studio njengamanje, and tomorrow I'll releasing another song. So how do you cope with ukuthi you have a song manje, that you write a song, then we are studio, we are record, then another song, ama lyrics our clash maybe. Lesinye isikhathi usuqula leni ngoma kanti so faka ama lyrics aleya.
No, into mawubhala if ubhala something uyayizwa le this one sound familiar. Ngiyangayisho. So then uyakwazi ukuthi ugcina lapho ungawubhali la yini. So
And I
yeah.
think we are going to enjoy one man show.
Oh, so, my last question, I have two questions though. The first one is like, how do you balance uba a musician, you have to write those things, and then ngapha you are a teacher, you have to prepare a lesson. Like, how do you balance those things?
I'm gonna say like me doing that music from
Yeah.
from a young age from school because from schooling I was juggling between the two.
Yes.
Yeah, you perform and bring so ujwayela lo
Oh, you grew up with that pressure.
ujwayela lo pressure leyo kungenza ukuthi ngibe kuba lula ukuthi ngidile nayo namanje because even kufundisa this is my 7th year. Yeah. So if mbala kahle because I started 2018 so this is my 7th year so like sengijwayele
So, so you enjoy a game.
ngiyinja again.
Sena, Shara. So my last one game manje. What do you have for Ama Brothers away to listening at home? Ukuthi ungathini kubona how would you motivate them? Yabona? Yeah, to
say-
keep pushing.
I would say first of all start with you having a dream or having a goal.
Yeah.
And then get each and every day ekuseni uvuka zibuza ukuthi what will you do today to bring it closer to your dream.
Yeah, that's true.
If usuzolala ebusuku zibuza
That's
ukuthi what did
powerful.
I do to bring it closer to my dream. Doesn't matter noma kuthi into encane kangakanani if ukusenda lo DM ukusenda lo SMS lo email to that one call that phone call ukusesha lokuthi
Yeah,
type on
yes.
your CV at least something that's gonna bring you closer.
You have to start somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Mina, I have a last question.
Yes,
This
sir.
one is directed to yourself.
Yeah.
So looking at yourself now and back then when you were still younger, what is the message, or what can you say to yourself? The message that you have to yourself looking back then and where you are now. What is the message that you have for yourself?
I was saying, yeah, boy, you're on the right track.
Wow. Yeah.
Majahi.
One
Just-
step at a time.
Yeah, then put pressure on yourself.
Yeah.
Majahi.
Yes.
The best thing you can do is just enjoy the journey.
You're saying we shouldn't put pressure, but tomorrow we are releasing pressure.
Yeah.
But it shouldn't be pressure.
Like, the pressure I'm saying is in the positive way. Like if you have a dream, put pressure on your dream. You know?
Okay.
If you have like put pressure on something that's positive. No.
But you know, don't be. I'm a motivational speaker. If you are looking for an advice from someone, that
Yeah.
person is going to tell you, I go to school, yabo, but
Akayangi esikolweni.
I say, don't put pressure, but any pressure, uyayifaka
Uyayifaka
endlini.
yena. Nakusasa lo sayo ufake
Ufake
pressure.
but wena akumelanga.
Yeah.
But then somehow we need a pressure, though, like a positive one, because
But don't be too
sometimes
hard.
putting too much pressure, it tends to be a negative one. So I understand. I get you. Mina nawe skim feeling as cat.
Sonke.
And thank you so much for choosing us. Thank you so much for your time. We appreciate it. And ungakhathali thina yebo because thina manje nje sesodlala
Ungabi
ingoma
ngathi
zakho
sifake
and then
pressure.
when you are there please don't forget us
Yeah,
ungasikhohlwa
definitely.
phela ngiyanazi nina hlana kabi
Mina cause you already there. You already there, nje vele. So,
ungasikhohlwa because now we will make sure that in each and every day that we push you there by playing your music.
thank you.
Yeah, we have to like kahle uyabona uthando.
Yes.
Okay, let's put it every Thursday. Today's Thursday, Angisho.
Yes.
So on Thursday we're gonna have Uthando.
Yeah, as the first hour, nje, we'll make sure that we play the Tano song, or when we about to
11.
enter the second hour of the day,
Ngo-11 nje,
singena
after-
ngothando.
Yeah, thank you.
Uthando.
But only if you promise us that you will tune in, you will like listen to our show.
Definitely, guys,
Thursday.
definitely.
Sifuna ukubona comment from you every Thursday.
Kulula vele ku-sports, Tibo SA, so kuzoba lula
Yeah.
ku-sports. Yeah, that's me. So don't worry, guys.
Noma useclassini.
Yeah,
Nje.
Ngo-11 uyaphuma nje.
Yes, and just break yam vele leyo, so it's
Oh,
good.
that's good.
Yeah.
Oh, and thank you so much. We appreciate your time. And now it's time to wrap up our interview with Tibo Umfana Owase KZN Mtuba Tuba. We are raising the Mtuba Tuba flag high. I hope they support. I hope they are supporting you.
Yeah,
I hope so.
Ngifuna bethi lo wangakithi lo.
Ngoba thina Eastern Cape
Ufule naye, kufunde
mina
naye.
kwase Eastern Cape ndiyakusupporta mna.
All the support from Mpumalanga.
Danko bafethu onke ama province niyeza.
Yabona
KZN.
la so international yabona masupportwa yi-Eastern Cape neMpumalanga
Mpumalanga,
so international
And
support. So
VMC yasazi.
and ne-VMC ke iplanet yonke manje you are well
Yeah.
known the whole planet.
thank you. Shout out.
Thank you so much, my friends. And we had that's a rising song from a rising star from Mtuba Atuba, and that was it from our interview today. Hope you are going to listen to Music Kwake. And if you missed the show, if you missed the interview and wanted to hear about him, you know, you go to on YouTube or Google platforms. It's VMC platform. You can get our interviews whenever you are ready to tune in. And I'm telling you, social media platforms at Tibo. So that's him.
Yes, Tibo SA.
Tibo
Tibo
SA.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tibo.
Across all platforms. yeah.
Tibo.
Tibo.
Yeah. T-B-O. Tibo.
Tibo. T-bone.
Yeah, some
T-bone
abanye basho
without
njalo bathi
N.
Yeah.
T-bone
I was
without
like,
N.
mina bengithi T-bone and then I was like a T-boy. Oh, ngasho ukuthi, oh, maybe I'm wrong. It's T-boy.
Yeah.
I don't know the why uthole kuphi wena ka T-boy.
But then I was like, no, like it's it's T-boy.
Oh, let's have his last song. Sivale nje.
Ivala.
Kamnandi nje.
Obviously, so Ivala Gamnandi. So because my friends Samahle, we are at 2 minutes to the weekend, ne?
Yeah.
And we are going to relate kancane. So we are going to play a song from Tibo. It is Tagiwe. So it's close to weekend. I hope you go, Mama. It is Tagiwe as Tagiwe in its weekend. Tagiwe.
Sidagwe professional.
No, as Tagiwe ni joke dawan. So friends, that's a song by it's a song titled as Tagiwe by the one and only Tibo from Mtuba. I hope you are listening, and also maybe shout out to Isoweto for keeping you safe for us, and also your student. I hope they are listening and ngiyabachela manje ngithi yabo lo ahleza phika uyena
Uyena. To answer your question, yena.
So I'm just that's the song. Please do enjoy and stay tuned to our show after the song.
Nakuthiwa cishe ingoma ngeke, mentakiwe indaba yakhe myeke.